Well, hello there. If you're liking what you see on my grill, why don't you sit for a bit? I will show you how to make a South Asian style spice rub, but I'll need to first take you back to the beginning. Start with 2 teaspoons of salt. Next, add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 2 teaspoons of onion powder. 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, but you can add more if you want. A half a teaspoon of chili powder, and here I'm using adobo chili. One half teaspoon of black ground pepper. 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Use whichever one is your favorite. Here I'm using yellow. And 1 teaspoon of garam massala. Now mix them all together. Now I'm going to pour them into this shaker bottle, and I'm going to use a funnel just to make sure I get it all in there. Now I can spread this on chicken as I need it. Well, now it's time to make some dinner. So we're going to start taking some of this spice mix. I've already coated one side of the chicken, as you can see. Start off by oiling this grill, which is already a little warm. Now I'm going to go ahead and place the chicken on here, and time to coat the other side. Put as little or as much as you want on this. And over here, as you can see, I'm putting on some cauliflower. This is something kind of simple I have for another video, but it's just seasoned and oiled. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and close the grill and grill these for about 3 minutes. We'll be back then. Well, as you can see, this is after 3 minutes. They're not quite done, so back at it some more. After another 3 minutes, you can see they're a lot better, a lot more cooked. Now it's time to turn them over. Looking good, smelling good too. Yeah, I'm going to turn over some of these cauliflower too. All they are is a little bit of olive oil and herb garden seasoning. Be back in another 3. Oh, one stuck to the lid. I've sped this up a little bit. This really took about 6 minutes, but I'm going to leave the lid open while I do this. This controls how much top heat they get, so they don't overcook. They're really looking good. I'm going to remove some of these so they don't overcook. But these bigger pieces, especially this one, need more time. And I'm going to serve this up a little bit later with some rice. I think I'm going to use jasmine tonight. Back in the 3. Now they're really starting to look good. Almost done. You want to make sure that they're cooked through.
Hey, thank you for sticking around and watching until the end. It shows me that I made something interesting enough to watch. Since you did stick around, would you please tell me if you liked it by clicking the thumbs up button? And if you liked this recipe, feel free to share it. Now, if you're wanting to watch more, check out my channel. And if you like what you see and want to join the tribe, then make sure you click the subscribe button too. And don't forget, if you ring the bell, you will get those notifications when I upload new videos. And if you have a recipe suggestion, please leave me a comment with it and I will check it out. Thank you.